Hi guys, I got this digital timer and I came here to talk with you about this product. So let's open and show you better. I really like this. It can be used in different occasions and situations. We can use in our kitchen, for example, to help us to control the time cooking. We can use this in our office, gym, classroom, among other places and occasion situations that can be very helpful. So I like the quality. This material is resistant and durable, and this base it's magnetic, which is convenient. We can place this in a magnetic surface and this will be more stable and firm. I like the quality. It's made of a really nice material and we can adjust the volume and the intensity of the light, so the brightness can be adjusted. It works with 3 batteries. I will turn on and show you. Here we have the batteries. It already came together, which is very convenient. So let's turn on and show you how it works. So here we can adjust the intensity of the lights just pressing this button up or down, and we can adjust the volume just pressing this up or down, the same thing.